Okay guys, here's my Datsun. Got the cover on it. Got a little surprise. Wait, let me get this out the way. Oh, yep. Found this car, the donor car. A 1982 ZX Turbo automatic. Original, everything stock. Like this came with all the works. I'm just gonna keep the long block, the full long block with distributor and everything. Stock turbo, everything's good. I'm gonna sell a lot of these parts as far as like the J pipe, and whoever needs that can reach out. I have PayPal ready. But I'm gonna rebuild this, send this to the machine shop, and get everything on this right, and then swap it in here. But it's gonna be a long process, but I'm gonna try to record the most I can. Take y'all along this journey.